Black Lentil Tomato Rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most tastiest of the lentil recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the black lentil recipes and the most different of the Urad Dal recipes. Today we're going to make black lentil tomato rice. The ingredients are 2 to 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 10 to 12 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, and around 100 grams of black lentil soaked in water. We have taken black lentil from which the skin has been removed and hence it is not black. Heat the pan and put in 25 grams of clarified butter and let it melt. Put in the onion pieces and the shallots. Onion and the shallots are nicely roasted until it's a pinkish color. Salt. Put in the fennel seeds and the ginger, salt, thoroughly. Put in the garlic. put in the black lentil. Put in a little more of the clarified butter, salt, saute. Keep on sorting. Now put in the tomato pieces. Sorting this. Now put in salt to taste. Next, put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix carrot, pour in 200 ml of water. Mix carrot and let this mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the black lentil tomato rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Just the final black lentil tomato rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the lentil recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most nutritious of the black lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the Urad Dal recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.